16 car. Connor Carswell driving a 69. Shane Harris, last week's winner in the 47 machine. So they're fixing to roll on there. And then you got the 777 out there running with them also. Been running the Pure Stock V8 cars with the Thunder Bombers. We split them out this week. So these guys wanting to run for some money. So we got them split out this week. Got a purse for them. So trying to see how all that works out. Trying different things here at the Antioch Motor Speedway. Trying to get everything to happen. Trying different things for everybody. If y'all just arriving, go by and visit the concession stand. Get you something good cold to drink. And lay back. So we'll do that right there.
And this guy's a professional radio guy like I am, so we'd actually work good together and won't be no dead air like last week in Hoosierville.
Want to go to Hoosierville. Oh, want to go to wherever that is. Okay, we just fooling around. I took singing lessons, but I failed. My wife said I couldn't carry a tune in a bucket. Play bass, but can't sing.
I don't think that would sound good in the bathtub.
Oh, that sounds good in the shower, man. It echoes out. They think I'm Frank Sinatra. My dog and cat both like it. My dog sits there and just howls away. Howl. All right, Mr. Johnny Reynolds, I think he run down the road last week a little bit. Had a pretty good run trying to get used to another place right there. Now, the 69 car, he was looking for a win last week, didn't quite get it. Benny Pill in the 16 car. Shane Harris all the way from Marion, North Carolina. That's how you say it, Marion or Marion. I always say Marion, North Carolina down here. And one of them Robert Bradley built race cars. Their fuel round, a Robert Bradley built race car. Johnny Reynolds in the 55. Pillar in the 16 right there. Out of Connolly Springs, North Carolina. Connor Carswell out of Valdez, North Carolina. As we get them set for their hot laps. All right, looking for the extreme front wheel drives. Extreme front wheel drives, guys. Extreme front wheel drive, bring them to the line and get your hot laps. Then we get to really get in there and get some rubbing going on. Fight for a good position right there. Superman Benny Pillar behind the wheel of the 16 car. Connor Carswell in the 69. Dobson Auto Parts sponsorship on the 47 car. Then you got Bill Mintz towing on the 69 car. Chapman's Bell Bondsman. All that stuff happening right there. Looks like the track is coming in pretty good to get these hot laps in there. Just which way is the fastest groove, or where the groove's going to be. All righty, front wheel drive, gentlemen, you need to be in line for your hot laps. Front wheel drive, you need to be in line for your hot laps. So that's going to wind up the Tires Plus, Tires Pro Thunder Bomber class for their hot laps. Get them in, they make some adjustments, we'll get them back out, and everybody be ready to rock and roll. The 602 mark guys, they are tuning up, dialing in, checking the stagger on the tires. About an inch and a half in the rear of that thing, and you'll fly around here, brother. Inch and a half stagger in the back, you be ready to rock and roll. The 602 mark guys, they are tuning up.
All right, buddy, thank you. We good.
All right, extreme front wheel drive. Guys, you need to be ready to rock and